And we are here on 6S. Kids seem to be impressed. Oof. Just a little tap of the throttle and wheels are up. Trying to keep those turns as smooth as possible. It's not always ideal to bleep the throttle around the turn, as I've seen a lot of people do, and even I've done it in the past. You want to try and maintain a consistent throttle and not bleep it. That just draws up amps. And this thing's got so much power. Alrighty, let's see how it jumps now. Wanted to kick up off the jump a little bit there. He's got so much power. They're going to freak out when I pick it on the big jump, if they're freaking out now. Success with this motor is just nutsoid. Oh, that can't be LVC. That's got to be the ESC crapping out. Maybe this gearing's too tall for this ESC and I need to go to a max 6, or yeah, all of the above. So let's have a look and see how we're doing. Should have brought my temp gun with me, which I forgot to bring. I always forget to bring it. Let's see, motor. Oh yeah, motor's a little toasty. Motor's definitely a little toasty. It's warm today too, so it doesn't help. ESC is very hot. See, I'm probably drawing too many amps. I may need to gear down for the 6S. And yeah, I don't think it's going to run like this. At least not in these temperatures. So, bit of a shame. I can reboot it, but it's only going to be for short runs. It's not going to really, it's not going to run for very long like this, and I could end up busting my ESC.
A few moments later.
See if we can do at least one jump here. These guys are freaking out. Alright, here we go. Alright, let's take it home before I overheat this thing and cook something, set it on fire. It's definitely geared up a bit too high for 6S, and yeah, probably needs the max 6 ESC, not the max 8. Alrighty, we'll leave it here, we'll come back for more.